Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share my insights of our Ikea visit. At around 10 am, we boarded our metro at Mahakavi Kuvempu station. We were very much excited as it is the first store in Karnataka. The weather looked misty, so we carried our umbrella and overcoats. At 11 am, we reached Nagasandra and started following the directions to reach the store. As my sister rightly shows, that's where Ikea is located and it's just 500 meters away. As it was a Friday, we expected the place to be crowded, but there was no much mass. At the entrance, we need to pass through the usual body and luggage scanner. The store is divided into market and showroom. Showroom consists of model setups and marketplace consists of shopping items. We decided to visit showroom first and later go on to market, but later regretted that decision because a showroom completely drained our energy and we didn't have any energy to shop at market. Beginning from here, there are lots of model setups from which we can take inspiration or purchase the same from the store. We were amused by how small spaces were planned and utilized completely. There was also a digital map to help us find what we are looking for. Thankfully, my mom cautioned me to wear cushioned footwear, which aided in vast area walking. There were plenty of ideas and designs, which was a visual treat to us. Halfway through the showroom, we arrived at restaurant. We were asked to park the trolleys here before getting into the restaurant. We can pick our desired food from the display section and later get on to billing. Here is chicken nuggets, chicken gravy and plain white rice. For ₹60, we also get unlimited beverages and we can select from these options. The entire restaurant was so aromatic due to the fresh ground coffee beans. After finishing the food, we had to leave our plates in this belt. Restrooms too were neatly maintained. Post lunch, we got into marketplace. This was the kitchen section and there were plenty of utensils in different shapes and sizes. All baking requirements were arranged here. After the kitchen section, I was completely exhausted, and that's what this picture speaks. At this place, there were various curtains, curtain rods, and hardwares required to fix it too. Coming to the most awaited organization section, there were huge boxes and organizers for all kinds of requirements. All the lights used at the showroom were displayed here, which was easier to compare and purchase. This section consisted of all decorative items like scented candles, artificial flowers, real flowers, vase, clocks, mirrors, etc. This is the last section, that is self-service furniture section, wherein we can set up our own furniture with the help of the guide provided. Finally reached billing. We purchased very minimal items like hangers, drawer organizers, vase, flowers and lint roller. For rupees 120, we get a set of 10 hangers. After the billing, there was a snack counter which provided food at very minimal price range. Hope you liked this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.